done is, this is in one of my courses, I've added a topic and I've called it ePortfolio. Just as a side issue, if you want to make the titles a bit more interesting, you can edit them and you can highlight words that you use, and you've got font choices, and you've also got colour choices here. I like to use different colours and make things a bit more interesting. That's just a side issue. I'll just save the changes there, and then we'll go back to the course here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an activity, and this is where you can add various things to enable an ePortfolio to work. Firstly, I'm going to add an online text, and this is the sort of thing you can use for a logbook or just somewhere where people would be recording just simple text. I'm just going to call this logbook, and the way that you do this is similar for the different types of ePortfolio activities. You have to add a description, so I'm just going to say type up your log every lesson. Okay, a couple of wee things here that are quite common in Moodle. The available from and available or due date, sorry. I'm just going to disable them just so that there's no time limit. If you want to set a time limit though, then obviously you can set when you want it to start and when something is due from, and you can prevent late submission and that sort of thing. I always like to change this allow resubmitting to yes, so that pupils can go in and edit what they've done. You can set here an email alert to teachers if you want. Again, I would tend to leave that one, and really I would leave everything as is. So I'm just going to do save and return to course, and just scroll down to where it is, and there's the logbook entry there. I'll show you how you use it just now. First of all, what I'll do is I'm just going to change the view really so that this is what a student would see, a pupil would see. So a pupil would come down here and they would click on logbook and they would click to edit it, and then in here they can just simply type. So I'll just put in a date, 12/12 2012, press the tab key to move along. Today I started my assignment. Obviously you could add more there, and then once they're finished, they save the changes, and at a later date they can go back to here. So let's say they're in the course, they can go back to here, click on logbook again, and then they can just edit their submission and they get back to the same page, and they could add another date in and just add some further details. Okay. Now the beauty of this is that the pupil can edit this, but no one else can, and you can view it, but only you can view it as a teacher, or you can allow your other staff to see it, but nobody can go in and make changes to it, and the pupil, apart from the pupil, and you can view it as they go along. Okay, I'm going to show you another item that you would add. I'll just change my normal view here, and I'm going to turn on the editing, and back to add an activity. This time I'm going to click on advanced uploading of files, and this is where you can add many files to support a particular area of the portfolio. So this is from my higher graphics course. So at the moment we have a thematic presentation, which is a folio of work that they have to do, which includes some computer generated work. So I'm going to add a title here, CAD drawings. And the CAD drawings would be done in a bit of specialist software, and these files can be uploaded quite easily. So I just put upload, just a short explanation, upload your CAD drawings here. Okay. Again, I'll disable the available from and the due date. I'm going to allow deleting. I'm going to change the maximum number of files uploaded to 20, just to put it right up to the maximum. I'm also going to allow notes, because that allows the people to add in any sort of explanations of what they've done. Okay, and I'll leave it at that just now. So let's change the role to student, just to let you see what they would see. And they would see this, and click on CAD drawings, and it says there choose file. So there's no file submitted, as you can see here. There's no notes, and this is blank as you would expect. So I'm going to click on choose file. Now at this point your pupil can choose a file. Now I'm working on a Mac just now, so it's going to look a wee bit different from a Windows computer, but the principle is the same. You have your documents, and you can add up various documents. So I'm just going to go to my documents just now at random, and then I'll just choose something. So there's a file there called fractions. Just choose that. It happens to be a Word document, and I'm going to choose to upload this file. That's it now uploaded. I can edit the notes and just say what I've done if I like. So I put in the date today, 12/12. Uploaded the fractions file. Okay, that'll do for that. Save the changes, and then just go back to the course. Now you can see there that there's an option here to upload multiple files. So I can go again, choose file, and this time I'll choose a different one. I'll go to graph PPT, which happens to be a PowerPoint file. I'll just upload this file. That's me now got a couple of files there. Now there are options here for final submission for assignment marking, and this is really, the people can go click that and say, right, that's me, that's it, ready to be marked. At the moment I'm just going to leave that as is, because you as a teacher can still go in and access these, and it's really just depends on whether you're going to do your grading in Moodle or not. So I'm going to go back to the course, and I'll change my role back again to the teacher. Okay, and I'll turn the editing, and it's off already. That's what you would see here, and if you clicked on that, you would get to see the submissions for different pupils. And what I'll do is I'll show you in the next video what you can do with that and how you could possibly send some comments. But that's how you would basically set it up. And you can add as many of these as you like, and you can go back to turn your editing on. And if there's another area, for example, I have a desktop publishing as part of the portfolio of work they have to do for hire. So I can go here, and again I can go to advanced uploading of files. I can add another assignment, so I put desktop publishing or DTP. Again, disable, allow deleting, allow notes, yes, and then I'll do save and return to course. I've missed something out, there you go. What have I missed out? Well, I've missed out in the description, so I'll just say upload the desktop publish files here. That's what happens if you get to that point and you try and save and return it and it won't work, then it's because you've missed something out, and that summary or description is always required. So save and return should work this time. So we'll do that. That takes us back to here. So now we've got another area here.